Hello there, my name's Fernando, and I'm a developer advocate here at GitLab. And today I'm going to go over one of the newly released features in GitLab 17.8. I'll be covering support for multiple distinct approval actions in merge request approval policies. Now let's get started. These new distinct approval actions provide flexibility and added granularity for merge request approvals. Some examples include distinct role approvals, such as one approval from a developer and another from the maintainer role, role and group approvals, such as one approval from a developer or maintainer and a separate approval from a member of the security group, as well as distinct group approvals, such as one approval from a member of the Python experts group and another separate approval from a member of the security group. Note that multiple of these approvals can be mixed and matched. Now let's go ahead and create a merge request approval policy with some of these additional actions. In order to create a security policy, we go to the Secure tab and click on Policies. From here, we can see all the policies within our project. We'll go ahead and click New Policy to create a new one. Then we'll select the Merge Request Approval Policy. From here, we must provide the policy with a name, which I'll set to a descriptive name where I'll require Cesar and Fatima to approve. Then I can provide a description to better describe my policy. Now let's go ahead and look at the rules. I'm going to go ahead and create a new rule that states when a security scan of all scanners runs against the default branch with no exceptions and finds any vulnerabilities that match the following criteria, all severity levels and a status of new, then we can add the following actions to require approval. And here I'm going to set to require one approval from an individual user, which I'll state to be Cesar, and then I'm also going to require another action, which I'll add to require another approver, and here I'll require an approval from an individual user, and here I am going to select Fatima. Note that I can create different actions for different groups of members, different individual users, and different roles, and enhance the granularity of approval settings. Then I can click on Configure with a merge request to go ahead and add this policy. This takes me to a separate project which will house the policy code, further enabling separation of duties. From here, I can go ahead and press Merge to enable the policy. Now, when I look at a merge request that introduces vulnerabilities, I can see that I require two approvals, one from Cesar and one from Fatima. If we scroll down, we can see that the security scanners run and they detected a variety of different vulnerabilities. This new feature adds more granularity to the merge request approval rules that we can create. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. To learn more about GitLab, see the links in the description, and be sure to click on that subscribe button